your chef. Today we have a special guest here with us, my little sister Agus. Hi. Today she'll be helping us make Easter blondies. Now before we get started, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications bell, and give it a big thumbs up if you like Easter. Let's get started. Okay everyone, so we're gonna first put 3/4 cups of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, melted. And now we're gonna mix until we have a creamy consistency. Okay everyone, so as you can see, we have here our creamy consistency. Now we're gonna add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're gonna mix. Okay everyone, when you have your egg, your vanilla, your brown sugar, and your butter mixed together, we're gonna add 1 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix. Okay everyone, so this is how our batter looks.
It should look a little pink.
Yes. Now we're gonna add some Easter chocolates. You can add some Easter M&Ms, some Easter chocolate, normal chocolate, but it's funner with some Easter chocolates. Here you go. We have 1 cup of Easter chocolates here, and we're just gonna mix carefully using the folding technique. Just like this. Okay everyone, so this is how our batter looks like. It looks super yummy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I greased my pan with some non-stick spray, and we're gonna put our blondies in the oven for about 40 minutes at 325 degrees. We're gonna spread it evenly. Looks colorful and Eastery. Right, Agus? Yeah. Try to make it as even as you can. Just like this. And now if you want, this is optional, you can top it off with a little bit more of Easter chocolate. Just like this. Now we're gonna stick this in the oven. Okay everyone, so our blondies are out of the oven and ready. They have been in the oven for 40 minutes and this is how they look. And as you can see, we took 2 pieces out for the taste test. So let's taste it.
It's good.
It's delicious. I totally recommend this recipe, especially for Easter Day. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. We do really appreciate it. I hope you love this recipe. I hope you make it. It is a really good recipe and really fun to make.
And it's good.
It's good. Now, we'll see you guys next time.